Need to fix the File Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. I recommend the automated system scan for File Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the File Library, a non-standard naming convention often used by localized wrappers or emulators, like those for old industrial hardware, to bridge system file calls. Because it shares a name with OS concepts, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If deleted by an antivirus, the parent tool will report a binary execution failure. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because File Library DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check, open command prompt with administrative rights, and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered file library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Keep in mind that File Library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing File Library. If this fix repaired File Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.